and he said, Eric Lorinkz taught me how to do it.
Is that French?
No, it wasn't a trench. No, I can't remember the name of the house. Okay. I'm going to ask you questions.
Sure.
And you can only give me one-word answers. Right? It's not yes or no, but if it's like, if I say yes or no, you have to give me yes or no, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Martini, lemon twist or olive?
Twist.
Boulevardier, up or on the rocks?
On the rocks.
Will you teach me how to make a Ramos Gin Fizz the way you make a Ramos Gin Fizz? Yes or no?
Of course, yes.
Yes. See, that's what I was really aiming for. I just wanted you to have to say yes.
Will you be my bartender slash waiter and host?
Well, yes, yeah, for sure, man, absolutely.
Done.
So,
can I pay you in Ramos?
You probably can. If I haven't opened my place and I'm still consulting, yes, I will work for Ramos Gin Fizzes. So I ordered Ramos from Mike Ryan. Mike Ryan's Ramos was the best Ramos I ever had, and I was just blown away. Cut to like a few years later, I'm in Tokyo, and I went to a tiny little bar, and the bartender had kept the bar open for us for like an hour and a half after it was meant to close.
Nice.
And we arrived into the bar, and we sat down at the bar, and I can't help myself, but when I go to a Japanese bar, I'm like, you know, what sort of cocktails are you really good at? Like, what do you? And he was like, no, I'm not going to do that. I'll make you whatever you feel like. I was like, I don't think you will. I was like, Ramos Gin Fizz. And he made it.
Okay.
So he not only had the bar completely cleaned, not only had he waited like an hour and a half after he was meant to be going home, but he made me a Ramos Gin Fizz.
These are the Japanese bartenders about. They don't look at the time.
And he was happy.
You never see a Japanese bartender wearing a watch.
He was happy.
Look into that.
And he was super happy to do it. I think it's either he hit it very well or he was happy. And I tasted it, and it was like drinking a cloud. It was fucking delicious. And I was like, that is the best Ramos Gin Fizz I've ever had. And he said, Eric Lorincz taught me how to do it.
Is that French?
No, it wasn't a trench. No, I can't remember the name of the bar. It was a little tiny place. So I was like, amazing, okay. I then went back to the Savoy and ordered one off you, and it was as good. It was really good, yeah. Oh. So now I'm like, I need to know. So you had to make.
What's the secret then?
There's a whole bunch. Like you're pouring it, the soda and the.
So many.
Shaken.
Like fresh soda. You know what the most important thing what I found about the Ramos is just the perfect balance of ingredients. Nothing else.
Yeah.
There's lots of people doing it like a typical 2 parts of sour versus 1 part of sweet. But with Ramos,
you need more
it
sugar.
Doesn't work.
Yeah.
Because you have egg whites, you have the cream, and that all cuts it. So if you do 2 to 1, it just doesn't work.
Yeah.
Just make it so tart and so unbalanced. And then
I put more sugar in the Ramos.
Sugar, and then I just figured out that, okay, here's one of the tricks that you do. And then the fluffiness around it, just again using
the cream and the fat.
Every time when I was making a Ramos, I was opening a fresh soda. I never used the same bottle.
Yeah, you need the carbonic acid, right?
Yeah.
Because it kind of reacts and curdles the proteins. Man, I can't wait. This is going to be the best. We're going to make a video out of this.
A shaker.
I have the right tools. And if you come to the cabin, I've got a great range of tools. You'll love them.
Good.
Yeah, I think you'll feel right at home.
Yes.
We won't teach anyone how to do a Ramos Gin Fizz until he comes and then teaches. It's like, this is how to make a Ramos.
Sweet. Let's do it.
Definitely be cool.